Welcome back to our Unity Asset Manager demo series on Unity Asset Manager. In this episode, we're taking the next step, turning complex CAD models into lightweight, ready-to-stream 3D assets, and exploring powerful collaboration tools along the way. We start with our skid loader model, built in SolidWorks. Inside Unity Asset Manager, we switch to Edit mode. Allocate the main assembly file and open a truly powerful feature, Optimize and Convert. Here's where the magic begins. Under Mesh Cleaning, we enable automatic removal of duplicated objects. The next option, Merge Optimization, allows deeper structural simplification, but we'll keep it off for this example. And Polygon Target gives us the flexibility to control the mesh density, by percentage or by polygon count. We'll leave that off too, focusing on the default optimization process. Once the setup is complete, we name our output file, select the format, in this case FBX, and hit Run Optimization. Asset Manager takes over, performing all the heavy lifting in the cloud. When it's done, the results speak for themselves. Our original 270 megabyte asset is now just 12 megabytes, a massive reduction without losing visual fidelity. That is a 95% reduction, a complete game changer for any real-time application. With our optimized file ready, we move to Generate Previews, and because the file is now lightweight, the process runs faster and smoother. Next, we use Prepare for 3D streaming, transforming the asset for real-time inspection directly in the browser. Once completed, we can view the entire component hierarchy, explore each part individually, and review every material layer, from albedo to normal maps, even toggle wireframes. All of this without ever opening a 3D editor. But optimization is only half the story. What about collaboration? With Annotate, we can draw or highlight specific areas of the model to provide context to the team, like marking the tires and leaving a comment about required adjustments. We can even sketch freely for more precise feedback, helping designers and engineers communicate visually, right inside the workflow. All annotations are automatically listed and organized, ready to be reviewed later, like having a live design sketchbook in the cloud. With Unity Asset Manager, optimization and collaboration become a single, fluid workflow. Optimize smarter, collaborate faster, deliver better, with Unity Asset Manager, powered by TD SYNNEX Datech.